Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how to view saved reels on Instagram. So while watching Instagram reels, if we like few of the reels very much, we tend to save them. So I'll just click on one of the reel and I'll just
भाई
as I'll save this reel by clicking on three dots and clicking on save here. And once we save this reel, and for after some time, if we want to view them again, we can view them. So to view these saved reels on Instagram, open Instagram app, and this is the home screen. And here you will find your profile picture image at the bottom. So click on your profile picture so that your whole profile gets open, and at top right you'll see these three bars. Click on this, and under settings and privacy, here is the option for save. You need to click on this, and this is the place where all your saved posts and reel will be available. So see here, tap on that, and these are the, see, this is the recent reel what I have saved just now. So in this way you can view saved reels on Instagram. If you like this video, please do hit a like for this video and share it to others so that it may be useful to others too. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.